The YETI Tundra Haul is a cooler that's built to last. Its rotomolded construction makes it armored to the core and virtually indestructible, ensuring that it can withstand any outdoor adventure. What sets the Tundra Haul apart is that it's the first ever YETI cooler on wheels, providing the convenience of portability with the unmatched insulation power of the Tundra. The never-flat wheels are a solid, single-piece tire construction that's impact and puncture-resistant, ensuring that the cooler can handle any terrain. The STRONGARM handle is a durable welded aluminum arm with comfortable grips, designed to track left or right for heel-friendly towing. It's worth noting that the Tundra Haul is not compatible with the dry goods basket or divider. However, with its rotomolded construction, convenient wheels, and strong handle, the YETI Tundra Haul is the ideal cooler for anyone who needs a tough and reliable cooler for their outdoor adventures. Looking for a stylish cooler that can keep your drinks icy cold for days? Look no further than Landworks. Our rotomolded wheeled 42 QD ice chest cooler is designed for adventure anywhere, with an aluminum telescopic handle and rugged all-terrain wheels that make transport easy and fun. Achieving 3 to 5 days of ice retention is possible thanks to the Super Duty nylon rope handles, removable, and food-grade safe and dry ice compatibility. Plus, the 42 QD capacity can hold up to 48 12-ounce cans, no ice added. The rotomolded design features 3-inch thick insulated walls, a UV protective shell, and a commercial-grade 360 degrees DCL style 15mm gasket to trap all the cold inside. Additional features include molded tie-down slats, impact rubber-absorbing ergonomic grips, dual built-in stainless steel lock plate bottle openers, and non-skid feet for a solid grip on flat surfaces. With sleek low-profile snagless TPE T-clasp latches that lock tight and flush, our cooler is the perfect addition to any adventure. Introducing the Igloo Cooler, the perfect solution for your outdoor adventures. Our cooler features oversized 10-inch never-flat wheels with superior traction and ground clearance for tackling sand and other challenging terrains. The locking, telescoping, horizontal handle provides comfort and leverage, making it 50% easier to pull your load. The removable butler tray keeps drinks and snacks away from sand and dirt, and it stores easily under the cooler's lid when not in use. With our water-resistant, lockable box and anti-leak gasket, you can keep your mobile phones, keys, and sunglasses handy and dry. Plus, our storage pocket offers a secure place to stash your shades, sunscreen, and other essentials. Get ready for your next adventure with the Igloo Cooler. The Cobalt 55 Quart Cooler by Blue Coolers is the ultimate solution for all your cooling needs. With its versatile size, the Cobalt is the most popular cooler option in the market today. Whether you're going camping, to the beach, or hosting a family barbecue, this ice chest is perfect for all occasions. Not only does it keep your drinks cold on the front porch, but it's also rugged and durable enough to handle the wild outdoors. With the Cobalt line of coolers, you can experience the look and performance of a high-end rotomolded super cooler without breaking the bank. These coolers are nearly 20% lighter than traditional rotomolded coolers, making them perfect for beach getaways. They are also rated for up to 5 days of ice retention, providing you with unmatched cooling performance. And the best part? The Cobalt ice coolers are about 40% less in cost than traditional rotomolded coolers. With intuitive features like no-fail hinges, easy-close lockdown latches, freezer-style airtight gaskets and seals, lockable lid with bottle opener, non-skid feet, removable tether handles, and a rapid drain system, this cooler is the perfect guy gift for soccer moms, outdoorsmen, weekend warriors, tailgaters, and anyone who loves cold beer and soda.
Glide 110 cooler uses old-fashioned mechanics borrowed from pull carts and rickshaws. By moving the lifting force away from the load, you're gaining a lot of mechanical advantage and using less effort. The handle is locking so you can push or pull. And this is handy when maneuvering between parked cars, going up steep hills or other obstacles. You want to be able to push or pull a fully loaded cooler with a locking handle. When it comes to the most important feature of the cooler, the Glide 110 doesn't disappoint. Check out the super thick insulation in the lid and the body. And the Sure-Lock lid snaps tight and locks in the cold. Cool riser technology is at the bottom of the cooler. Notice the air gap between the cooler and the surface. This allows air to flow through, reducing thermal conduction. So with super thick insulation, cool riser technology, this cooler easily keeps ice for 5 days. At Igloo, more innovation from us means less effort from you. And what we're really proud of is this Glide 110 cooler is made in Katy, Texas in the US of A.
Thank you for tuning in to Camp Vibes, your ultimate guide to outdoor gear. That concludes our review of the top 5 best wheeled coolers for your next adventure. We hope this video has helped you in making an informed decision on which cooler to buy. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and recommendations on outdoor gear. Let us know in the comments which coolers you have used and loved on your camping trips. Until next time, keep exploring the great outdoors with Camp Vibes.